Hi guys. I am at a conference, so the next two geometry lessons are going to be very different. So please, please, please listen to the instructions on this video and to the sub. I will be giving rewards out for those who get their stuff done correctly and fully. So we are going to jump right into our geometry lesson today. Please, 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 please feel free to pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast. We have a lot to cover and not a lot of time to do it, especially because I'm not here. So you need your packet, your math packet that we've been doing definitions. We're going to focus on this page that starts out with polygon today. We're going to do the definition of polygon. Okay, the definition of polygon is a two-dimensional closed figure made with three or more straight line segments that do not cross over each other. Again, that is a two-dimensional closed figure made with three or more line segments that do not cross over each other. So that is anything from a triangle to a square. Again, trying my best. A hexagon, which we will review later. Which, again, just trying my best. And I just suggest that you try your best too. It's honestly harder to free draw these than it looks. Okay. Okay, so polygon. Our next one is a parallelogram. And we do know what a parallel lines are. Remember, parallel lines never meet. So we're going to use that to help us define a parallelogram. It is a four-sided plane figure with opposite sides parallel. So it only has up to four sides. So an example of a parallelogram would be a trapezoid. We know we've seen trapezoids before, maybe not this year, but in years past, and these opposite sides are parallel. Another parallelogram would actually be a square or rectangle because these sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. So make sure you have those examples down. Again, feel free to pause the video at any time. Okay, a quadrilateral. Quad actually means four, so that's going to give us a hint of what a quadrilateral is. A quadrilateral is easy. It's a four-sided figure. A four-sided figure. So that's anywhere from like a rectangle or a square, which that did not want to fix. A square. It also could be more of an abstract shape. This is actually a type of trapezoid. Okay, we're going on to trapezoids. If you didn't know, which I didn't actually know until iReady told me, that there is two different types of trapezoids. They can be a little bit confusing. I wouldn't worry too much on it, but you still need to have this in your packet. So it is a quadrilateral. So it has four sides. Quadrilateral, which I am struggling to spell. There you go. With exactly one pair of parallel sides. So with that, you're actually going to see our most common trapezoid shape with that one. Remember, trapezoids kind of look like a trapdoor. Those are parallel lines. The line markers that I am doing, these line markers, actually just represent that these lines are similar. You do not need to put them, though I know people have, but it's just showing you that those two lines are parallel. Okay, trapezoid, an inclusive trapezoid is going to be a little bit different. An exclusive trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides, where an inclusive trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. So at least one pair is going to actually be this one up here as well. But it also could have more. So like a rectangle would be a great example of that because it actually has two pairs of parallel sides. These two sides right here are parallel, and the top and the bottom are parallel. Okay, we're on to our last one. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to get the information written down. I will be checking packets, so don't think you can fool Miss Jarvis because you will just spend recess and specialties in with her. So, hexagon is a polygon with exactly 6 sides and 6 angles. That is a big thing that we are also going to be talking about, is that the number of sides also is equivalent to the number of angles that they have. And you will need to know that. Remember, angles also can represent the corners. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get, but it's got to look something like that. Remember, pause the video at any time. Please get these written down before going on to the next thing.